Another day, another vlog. Today, ang time naman natin ay sa pag-exercise. Like what I've said in the past, it's very, very important na may mga days kayo talaga na makapag-exercise. Yung talagang exercise up to the point na pagod ka na, hindi ka na makagalaw, nanghihina ka na pawis ka na. Yun ang masarap na exercise. It's really important na we move, we sweat, makapag-stretching para flexible tayo, build muscles, strengthen our bones, as well as syempre, we have to eat well, sleep, rest, drink enough water, and have some sunlight. Yeah. So, ngayon, I'm just doing some out-in and in-out kicks para sa flexibility. Talagang nakakapag-strengthen yung mga high kicks. Tapos, nagiging condition ka pa kung kailangan mo sumipa. So, ayan, axe kick naman yan. Ayan. So, just several axe kicks para ma-stretch yung likod ng hamstring. Ayan, roundhouse naman, medyo hindi masyado maganda yung form kasi hindi naman tayo laging sparring. So, at least, meron tayong moves. Ayan, turning down naman yun. Roundhouse, axe kick. Hindi naman laging ganyan. Basta kailangan magawa mo yan. Tsaka ako napansin yun, out of balance ako kasi important sa akin yung speed. Yung power pala important. Siyempre, kaya wala yung power ang mga sipa ko naman. Suntok, boxing. Diba? Yan. So, kailangan nagsa-sidestep ka para hindi ka fixed target. Yan. Tapos, nagdaduck ka rin. Pinapractice mo rin yun para alam mo pakiramdam pagdaduck ka. Yan. Oh. Head target naman. Oh. Yan. Sige, at least, alam mo pang ibigay yung mga left, right, mga ganyan mo, side to side, yan. So, ang sarap ng papawis natin ngayon, talagang kanina pa tayo nag-exercise na, ayaw na.
Kanina pa ako. Okay, that's enough for today. Fantastic, man. Strikes again.